Okay, so for number 10, this is a common real life um, money kind of problem here. Hope you understand. So we know that John purchased this Apple Watch for $1,200, right? So our equation, Y, of course, is going to be the amount he owes. Amount owed is Y, right? That's going to equal $1,200 because that's where he started, times 1 plus 0.15. Now, wait a minute. It's growing 15% every month. So, what we want to do, I'm pretty sure, is, well, yeah, if X is months, then we should be able to get away with 0.15. That's 15%, right? And T would be, now the key thing is T equals the number of months, right? The number of months, okay? And so that should have been your equation. I think that's why Mr. Cal said plus there, right? Because the one you see represents, that's what we have, $1,200. And then the plus means we're going to add 15% to that $1,200 each and every month. So that's the logic of that. So it's a typical exponential growth kind of function. So then for B, you're just supposed to do 4 months. And so again, why you did a minus is you were thinking it was decreasing. No, the amount is the amount he owes, which is increasing. So technically, he's losing money. That's why you were thinking about decreasing. But the idea is you are just going to assume you know you're losing money. It's a negative value, in other words, you're assuming. But you're figuring out what that negative value is. It's growing more and more negative, right? So basically, all you had to do was make sure that was a plus and you put in the 4. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this on the calculator. Okay, so what I did was I went ahead and took 1.15, as you'll find out, and I did it to the 4th power. So I'm doing this right here. And once I get that answer, I know I just need to times it by 1,200. So if you look at my calculator work, I took the 1.15. This is 15% increase every month for 4 months. I took this value now and I times that with 12. I don't know why 1,200 didn't show up, but I did that. And so there is our final answer, 2,098 point. So if I rounded this off to money, I would say $2,098.81, because that 7 means I round this 0 up to a 1, right? So that should be our correct answer. So after 4 months, so this should be a life lesson, right? When you borrow money, this is the problem. You're literally losing a lot more than you're borrowing, right? So this John here ended up borrowing $1,200, right? Put it on his credit card. 4 months later, that watch now has cost him over $2,000. Okay? So hopefully you understand this basic exponential growth function kind of problem. Okay?